Okay, hi all, welcome back. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go over practice test 3. I sent that to you as a resource for you to kind of gauge how well you're doing before you get actual test 3. Because I've tried to structure practice test 3 very much like the actual test 3 is going to be structured, and I've tried to put problems of comparable difficulty on the practice test so you can use the practice test to see how well ready you are to solve the problems I'm asked you to solve on the actual test 3. So Marisha will start off with the probability problems on part 1.
Okay. What is the probability of drawing a red face card or a black face card on a single draw?
Face or black face on a single draw. Okay, now we will remember that I've given you many times the composition of a standard deck of cards. The face cards are the jack, the queen, the kings, and there's 3 face cards in every suit, 4 different suits in a 52 card deck, half of them red, the hearts and the diamonds, half of them black, the spades and the clubs. To solve this problem, we first noticed that drawing a red face card and drawing a black face card are mutually exclusive. You cannot draw a card that is both a red face card and a black face card. You can only draw one or the other. So here we can apply the simple probability, the simple disjunction rule, and calculate this probability to equal the probability of a red face card plus the probability of a black face card. And so the probability of a red face card, well, we know there's 6 out of those in the deck out of 52 cards. There's 6 black face cards in the deck out of 52 cards. And if we add these together, we will get 12 out of 52, which reduces to 3 out of 13, which must be somewhere around 0.23. There's the solution to your first probability problem. Okay? Let's go to the second one, then I'll take this off the board.
What is the probability of drawing either a 5 card of any suit or a black card on a single draw?
Okay. Now this question's a little different because there are 4 or 5 cards in the deck. 4 out of 52 of the cards in the deck are 5 cards. The 5 of hearts, the 5 of diamonds, the 5 of spades, and the 5 of clubs. There are 26 black cards in the deck. Half of the cards are black, half the cards are red. But remember, there are 2 black cards that are also 5 cards. So if we go through the deck and just simply pull out all the cards that are either 5 cards or black cards, there will not be 30 cards that we pull out. Because 2 of those cards are both 5 cards and black cards. The 5 of clubs and the 5 of spades. So we have to subtract that number. These are not mutually exclusive. So we have to subtract all those cards that are both. And now when we do our math, we will get an answer of 4, 30 minus 2, 28 out of 52, which reduces to 7 out of 13, which I believe is something like 0.54. Okay, good. With that said, we'll take this off the board and move on to the other